Hey guys, welcome back to another session. So Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic, what is it exactly? So this video focuses on how we can use the Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic in real life. Keep watching so that you can learn how to solve some sample problems in addition to learning about the Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic. So the basic tenet of the FTA is that any composite number can be expressed as a product of prime numbers. To do that, we must first understand what a prime number is and what a composite number is. So in this session, we are going to discuss about Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic, application of Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic in LCM and HCF, and numericals based on FTA. So what are primes and composites? Let's first understand what primes and composites are. Numbers with only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself, are known as prime numbers. Examples 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, etc. Composite numbers are numbers that have more than two factors. Examples are 4, 6, 8, 9, 12. So what about number 1? Remember that number 1 is neither a prime nor a composite. A prime number can only be the product of two numbers, that is 1 and itself. Example is 2. So 2 is 2 into 1. 3 is 3 into 1, 5 is 5 into 1, and it also comes in the 1 table. So what about composite numbers? For example, let's discuss about 4 and 6. 4 can be written as 2 into 2 and 1 into 4. Here the factors of 4 are 1, 2 and 4, more than two factors. So let's look at 6 also. 6 can be written as 2 into 3, 1 into 6 and 3 into 2. So the factors of 6 are 1, 2 and 3 and 6. So it has more than two factors. So 4 and 6 are composite numbers. Here's an interesting fact. 2 is the only prime number. Any other even number other than 2 would be a composite number because it is divisible by 2. Consider 18 or 24. We can see that both are divisible by 2. So this was about prime numbers and composite numbers. Now let's look at FTA. Just as every molecule is a product of individual atoms, every composite numbers can be factorized as the product of primes in a unique way, except for the order of its factors. This is Fundamental Theorem of Arithmetic. Now for example, we have discussed 6 is a composite number. It can be written as 2 into 3. 2 and 3 are prime factors of 6. So next let's see 8. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. So now let's look at another example, which is 200. So when we prime factorize it, it can be written as 2 into 100, and 100 can be written as 2 into 50, 50 can be written as 2 into 25, and 25 can be written as 5 into 5. So the 200 prime factorization, we can write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. Right. So all the composite numbers were expressed here as a product of primes.